Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Now we're gonna take some flour, then take our dough ball, and I'm gonna try to shape it into a pizza. Try my very best at doing this. Oh, okay. Okay, it's in. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Damn it. And throw this on it. It's fine. Well, I burnt it. You know, it is my first attempt, but actually, no, what am I saying? It is my fault. I'm still gonna eat it. It tastes burnt. Damn, what a shame. Let me know what I did wrong, because I really want to make good pizza. Also, the dough's a little bit undercooked, which I don't understand. Undercooked, it was literally on fire. We'll try again. We'll see if we can do it better.